Hello, ma'am. What are you looking for?
Hi, actually I broke my phone and this has been happening for the third time. My sister keeps dropping my phone and this time she has dropped it into water also. So I'm looking for something which is long lasting, durable and rough and tough.
Okay, I think you have actually come at the very right time, ma'am, because Oppo has recently launched its newest smartphone, F27 Pro Plus 5G, the toughest 3D curved screen smartphone. Let me tell you more about this smartphone. The first feature that I'm going to talk about is IP69. F27 Pro Plus 5G comes with IP69 that makes it dust and waterproof, which is actually a solution to your problem of your sister dropping your phone in water. But ma'am, I will not only talk about this but also show it to you. How? I will drop this phone in water completely. Let this phone be here for some time. Until then, I'll tell you about the benefits of this. Sometimes you drop your phone in sand or in mud. In those situations also, even after that, this phone will survive because it is dust proof. Not only this is not only waterproof, but it is also has the capacity to survive high water pressure. Like when you're washing your motorcycles or your scooties or your bikes, in that situation also the jet that you use, it has the capacity to survive those high pressure water jets. Apart from this, when you put your clothes in washing machine, now even by mistake you put your phone with your clothes in washing machine, this phone will survive under high water pressure, under high temperature as well. Ma'am, let's take this phone out of water now and use it. Let me point out one more thing. You see, there are still water droplets on the phone, but your phone is working smoothly. This is because of Splash Touch. Many a times when you have wet hands and you're trying to change music on your phone or you're trying to answer a phone call, in such situation, this feature is going to help. That is Splash Touch. You want to use it and see it once?
You're right. This is what you call curved screen.
Yes.
Okay. But my problem was around durability. So since this is curved screen, will it be durable?
Ma'am, from here, let me tell you about the second feature about this smartphone. This smartphone comes with 3D curved display with 360-degree armor body. When I say 3D curved display, this means it makes it look highly premium and professional. And it is also for the very first time in this price segment in F series, we have a 3D curved display along with a AMOLED screen. Also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 that makes it absolutely tough and durable. Even if you drop your phone multiple times, this is drop resistant. It is that tough and smart. Ma'am, you don't have to be scared. Even if this phone actually drops like this, it won't be a problem because this phone is absolutely drop resistant. The 360-degree armor body makes it durable from every corner of the phone, from front, back and all the corners. Do you want to actually check it out once? How is it working?
Wow, that's really nice. It's working perfectly.
Actually, that's strong and durable.
The camera module looks really different and the design is also unique. Can you tell me more about this?
Sure, ma'am. So this phone comes with flagship Cosmos Ring leather design with ultra thin body. When I say this, as you can see, the Cosmos Ring, the camera module is called the Cosmos Ring. So basically this type of model comes in a fine series, a premium segment smartphones. But now for the very first time in this segment, we are giving such a luxurious and premium looking camera module. Not only this, you asked about the body. It has leather design that actually gives it a very luxurious look and feel. So whenever you carry it anywhere, you're talking it out somewhere, you will actually grab all attention. Ma'am, experience it yourself. That's the Cosmos Ring.
Okay.
And the leather design.
Quite unique. And it's also lightweight.
Yes. Also very thin, slim bodies. Ma'am, how do you like it?
I really like the phone, but I also like clicking a lot of pictures and I'm quite active on social media. So is there anything special or any feature that is...
Yes, ma'am, sure. So apart from the normal camera, well, there is a very unique feature that we have called AI Eraser. So AI Eraser actually allows you to cut any unwanted things from a picture that you've already taken, which you can easily post in social media. Many a times when you click a picture and someone passes by, you do not post the picture because there's an unwanted person or an unwanted object there. But now you can simply remove that unwanted object or subject from your picture and you can post it on your social media. In this price segment, it is present in a lot of smartphones, but all of them have a paid version. You have to pay for it at this price segment. But in this phone, it is an inbuilt software feature. Let me actually show it to you. These are two pictures. This is a picture with this object, and this is a picture you see the object is not here, right? So this is the magic that AI Eraser creates.
Wow, this is really interesting.
Yes. You go to camera, you click a picture. After that, open the picture, click on edit, and then select AI Eraser. Now just circle on the subject or object that you want to remove, and your completely new picture is ready. The unwanted subject or object from the frame easily gets removed.
I really like the phone. Can you also tell me about its charging and battery?
This phone comes with 67 watts SuperVOOC flash charging with 5000 mAh of battery. SuperVOOC, which is of course Oppo's self-developed charging technology that makes it faster, safer and cooler. From 0 to 19%, it charges only in 5 minutes. So if you're getting ready for work, and you said that you like clicking a lot of pictures for your social media, so for that just click unlimited pictures without worrying about the charging and technology. We also show it to you. As you can see, 67 watts SuperVOOC flash charging and 5000 mAh battery. Ma'am, now you tell me, how do you like the phone?
I like it a lot and I would like to get it.
So which color should I pack for you? We have two options, midnight navy and dusk pink.
I think I would choose midnight navy.
Very good choice, ma'am.
What's the price?
So this one is just for rupees. Let me show it to you. Ma'am, would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card.
Okay, can I have your card? Thank you. And here is your phone. Congratulations on F27 Pro Plus 5G. I hope you liked it, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.